Are you tired of constantly swapping out your USB devices? I know I am. That's why I'm excited to dive into the Hammok II 4-port USB 3.0 hub. This little powerhouse boasts lightning-fast 5 Gbps transfer speeds, making data transfer a breeze. Imagine connecting your keyboard, mouse, external hard drive, and printer all at once without any hassle. The sleek design fits perfectly on any desk, and the plug-and-play feature means no complicated setup. I'm eager to see how it handles multiple devices simultaneously. Will it really streamline my workflow? Let's unbox this game-changing accessory and put it to the test.
Introducing the Hammok II Grace 4-port USB 3.0 hub, your ultimate connectivity solution. With a sleek design and 4 USB 3.0 ports, this hub offers a transfer speed of up to 5 gigabits per second, making it perfect for all your devices. You can connect your laptop, mobile, camera, gaming device, external SSD, printer, wireless keyboard and mouse, and pen drive, all at the same time. Enjoy file transfer speeds up to 10 times faster than traditional USB 2.0, ensuring your data is moved quickly and efficiently. Need more storage? The Hammok II Grace supports a 10 terabytes HDD with its micro USB power supply interface. With a 1.5 meter cable length, you have the flexibility to place the hub wherever you need it. Plus, the built-in LED light indicates power status, making it easy to see when your hub is ready for action. And the best part, it's plug-and-play compatible with Windows 11 and Mac OS X. No drivers needed. Upgrade your connectivity with the Hammok II Grace 4-port USB 3.0 hub. Fast, reliable, and versatile. Get yours today. Plug the USB cable into the USB port of your PC or laptop. Look at port numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. The blue LED lights should be on. The Hammok II Grace 4-port USB 3.0 hub is the perfect addition to any setup. With its impressive 5 gigabits per second speed, support for up to 10 terabytes HDDs, and plug-and-play compatibility with Windows 11 and Mac OS X. Whether you're transferring large files, connecting multiple devices, or just looking for a more organized workspace, the Hammok II Grace has got you covered. Connect your devices. First, I'm connecting a pen drive, see here. Next, I'll connect a 1 terabyte SSD storage device. Compact, efficient, and reliable. This hub is your gateway to a seamless digital experience. I'm connecting another storage device, a pen drive, see here. First, remove the covers. Now I'm removing and attaching the pen drive. See, it's successfully connected. Open Windows Explorer and look on the left side. Our pen drive is connected. Click on the connected pen drive to explore the files. If you want to remove it, go to the bottom taskbar, right-click on Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media, and then select the pen drive name to eject it safely. See on the screen, we connect our mobile phone with Type-C, and it asks for all available options like charging-only file transfer, Android audio photo transfer, USB tethering MIDI. So I select File Transfer. Move to All-in-One, open Windows Explorer, move the mouse pointer over your mobile icon. Here, my mobile OnePlus Nord CE 5G, click on Open, click on Internal Shared Storage. And explore internal storage like camera, etc. See, I explored and copied PDF files from my mobile phone to my all-in-one, click on the desktop, and paste the file. Observe the copying speed. Again, exploring for huge file like video, select a video file 258 megabytes file and copy it. Move to where you want to paste it. We are pasting it here on desktop. Observe the speed 258 megabytes copies onto the desktop within 1 second. another example, we connect 1 terabyte SSD to USB hub in one USB port. Explore it in Windows Explorer. Find a huge file like more than 600 megabytes. Select that file, copy, My antivirus is active while copying. Move to all-in-one desktop or where you want to copy, paste it, and observe the copying speed on the screen. Within 1 second, the whole file is copied to the desktop from 1 terabyte SSD. See the properties on that copied file. How much? Zooming. 672 megabytes. It's too fast. Connect your devices to the hub and enjoy working with speed.
In conclusion, the Hammok II 4-port USB 3.0 hub delivers on its promises with a sleek design, reliable performance, and impressive 5 Gbps transfer speed. It's an excellent addition to any tech setup, providing the convenience and efficiency needed for managing multiple USB devices. If you're looking for a versatile and high-speed USB hub, the Hammok II is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and unboxings. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other products you'd like us to review. See you in the next video.